Today we are making no-bake Snickers pie. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today on the Scran line we're going to be making a no-bake Snickers pie. This thing is packed with peanuts, a delicious crust, illegally caramel which is really easy to make, and it's topped with ganache, more salted peanuts, and chopped Snickers bars. This thing is a real treat. Definitely a sometimes food, but definitely worth trying, and it's really delicious. Let's get started with the crust. It's really easy, so we're going to begin by adding some butter snap cookies. These are really delicious cookies. If you're in Australia, you can find them at Safeway or Woolworths, but you can pretty much use any type of cookie you like. It could even be chocolate cookies. We're going to blitz that in a food processor until we reach fine crumbs. Then we're going to add some butter and we're going to blitz to coat the crumbs. Once our mixture looks like wet sand, we're going to pour it out into a 9-inch wide, high-walled, removable base tart tin. I'm using the back of a spoon to press it firmly into the sides first, then I'm going to add the rest of my mixture, and I like to do that little bend the spoon trick. It just makes it so much easier to get the bottoms done. I know that some people use the back of a cup or measuring cup. I like doing it this way, but you can do it whichever way you like. Once you have all of that nice and firmly pressed to the bottom and the sides, we're going to pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let's move on to making that delicious caramel filling. Begin by adding some unsalted butter to a medium-sized saucepan along with some brown sugar, glucose syrup, some dulce de leche, and sweetened condensed milk. You're going to stir that until everything is really well combined. Let it come to a boil before you add some salted peanuts. Those salted peanuts are going to cut through the sweetness of the caramel, and it's just a really delicious addition. Pour that into your chilled base. If you need to, use a spoon to just spread it out nice and evenly. You're going to sprinkle some more salted peanuts on top and the picnic chocolate bars, which I've just chopped up. We're going to add 2 of those on top. This is going to go back in the fridge for about 2 hours. I left mine in there overnight. Then we are going to finish it off with some ganache. So let's make that. Add some heavy cream into a microwave safe jug or bowl. We're going to microwave that for 2 minutes to get it nice and hot. Then we're going to pour it over some milk chocolate. Place a plate on top of the bowl. It's going to create kind of this steamy environment. After about 5 minutes, it's going to be perfectly mixable, and that chocolate is already going to have a melting head start. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix your chocolate ganache up. It's going to be really nice and smooth and glossy. Now, this part is optional, but let it set at room temperature if you want to spread it on like a butter consistency on top of your pie, or you can just pour it on at this stage without letting it set. I wanted to have a bit of a spreadable consistency, so I let mine set. We're going to add it to the pie, spread it out, add some more peanuts and chopped picnic bars, and this is ready to serve. I guess the only way to make this more indulgent is if you add peanuts to the crust, but I didn't do that because it's really packed with peanuts. This thing is so delicious. It's like ooey gooey and really caramelly and chocolatey, and there's salt from the peanuts which cuts through the sweetness, so it's not too sweet. If you guys want to try this recipe out yourselves, and I recommend that you do, I've left the recipe in the description box below for you guys. Go try it out. It's no bake, so it's really easy to make. You don't even have to switch the oven on. If you want to see more recipes from me, I've got some over there, so click over there and watch more delicious free recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I am really excited for you guys to see the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye.